Weather alert, parts of our region could see some light snow overnight, and this was the snowy image from Highway 6 near Forest Grove. That's what it looked like just this afternoon.
Well, Josh says, no surprise if we see it in some of the higher elevations a little bit. Even if we see it in some of the higher elevations around Portland, you just think it's going to be a little bit.
Just a light dusting, and if anything, maybe only surviving for an hour before it melts. Yeah. So kind of a lackluster of a storm, but I think after January's, all of us will take this.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, but we are keeping that KOIN 6 weather alert in place, all due to the excessive snowfall that we expect to see over the high terrain, the Cascades, and parts of I-84 along the gorge. But right now, heavy downpours coming down along the Oregon coastline as a few snowflakes continue to fall over Mount Hood Meadows as the rain remains across the Portland-Vancouver metro area. Temperatures right now hovering in the upper 30s. We were stuck at about 40 degrees for the past several hours, dipping to that temperature right around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We anticipated those temperatures to start to cool, but the east winds just had no cold air to pull from. So that's why we kind of stuck around the upper 30s, low 40s, and expecting to hold on to that wet weather potential until about 4 o'clock in the morning. But you'll notice the temperatures not varying much compared to where we currently sit at 39 degrees. A broader picture of the Portland metro area shows that we hover in towards the upper 30s, low 40s. Now, where we like to look is out towards the mouth of the Columbia River Gorge, the Washougal area. Right now at 36 degrees, that's not a big difference compared to the temperatures we're seeing just further to the west. If that was, say 17 degrees or so, that would help to usher in the cooler air and transition the rain over to snow, but that is not the case. Despite seeing wind gusts out towards Troutdale almost 30 miles per hour, so the east wind effect is still there. We just don't have those cold temperatures to pull from. That's why the rain is still widespread across the northern Willamette Valley. The yellows, the oranges, the greens, that's all the heaviest of the rainfall that continues to come down across our area in the northern Willamette Valley. And you'll notice a little bit of the pink, the blue, that's the winter weather trying to slither its way down across parts of the West Hills. But again, it's just too warm, even up in elevation, to produce any of that snowfall. Even the National Weather Service is going along with this trend, stripping the Portland-Vancouver area of the winter weather advisory that was in place earlier today. It's still in place for the high terrain of the Coast Range until about 4 o'clock tomorrow, where we could see about 1 inch to 4 inches. But again, Portland, Vancouver, no winter weather advisories or any other winter weather alerts, as we expect to just hold on to the rain potential tonight. Now, those east winds kicking up close to about 30 miles per hour for the early morning time frame. And this is it all stepped out for you with the Futurecast. You'll notice some of those southerly winds helping to keep the temperatures on the mild side as the heavy snow continues to fall over the Cascades. And we will see another round of the moisture by the time we get into Thursday evening, and that takes us into Friday morning. But again, temperatures still hovering in towards the upper 30s, so not expecting to see anything fall other than rain. Then we start to dry things out by the time we get to Friday. It's going to be a nice drink of water into the rain gauge, close to about 3/4 of an inch for Portland all the way through Friday evening, just about the same for the coastline. Now, even a lot of our snow accumulation models peeling away out of the Portland metro area. So a snapshot of some of those totals, I'm being generous with the West Hills, giving maybe 0 to 1 inches at best, but a lot of goose eggs for a lot of us here across the metro area. So tonight into tomorrow morning, not expecting to see any road impacts whatsoever. I think we're lucky enough if we even see a light dusting for the grassy spots above about 1,000 feet into the West Hills. Now, that KOIN 6 weather alert in place for tomorrow due to the excessive snow we expect to see over the mountains. And then we start to see those on-again, off-again rain showers. But look, next week, seeing drier skies, highs back into the mid-50s. The snow scare that we've seen quickly becoming a distant memory for us.
Yes, by this time tomorrow, hopefully we'll be like, what snow scare?
Just rain.
Thanks, Josh.
Adam, what's happening in